Howdy freeze dryers, today it's finally happening. The wait is over. We now have small size lids available for your Harvest Right freeze dryers. I know a ton of you have been asking for these, and trust me, we've been just as eager to get these into your hands. So whether you're new to freeze drying or you've been running your small unit for years, these lids are gonna change your workflow in a big way. And let me show you why. First off, these lids help you stack your trays for pre-freezing without needing a full freezer shelf. That's huge for space saving in your deep freezer. Second, they lock in freshness and keep out freezer burn or unwanted smells. If you're prepping batches ahead of time, these are a must. And for those of you doing meal prep, powders, or sensitive ingredients, the lids add the extra layer of protection and organization. Check this out, perfect fit, easy stack, no mess. These are made with the same quality as our medium and large lids, just now finally in a small size. When you're freeze drying efficiently, you're thinking in batches. These lids allow you to prep trays in advance, label and stack them, and keep your operation moving without delays. So if you have a small Harvest Right freeze dryer, these lids are now available at freezedryingsupplies.com. I'll drop the link down below or in the bio of this video. As always, thanks for supporting our small business and the freeze drying community. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips, gear, and recipes, and happy freeze drying.